In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IC Markets to Metatrader 5. Before we jump into the platform, let's make sure you have what you need. You'll want an IC Markets MT5 account, either demo or live, and the three key details that go with it: your login ID, your trading password, and the correct server name. These are provided in your IC Markets client area after you open an account, and they're also sent to you by email. Keep that information handy, and remember that demo and live accounts use different servers, so the server name must match the type of account you're logging into. Now let's connect on your computer. The process is the same on Windows and Mac. Open Metatrader 5. At the top left, click File, then select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear with three fields. In the login box, enter your account number exactly as shown in your account details. In the password box, type your trading password. Be careful with capitalization. Passwords are case sensitive. If you also received an investor or read-only password, don't use that one here unless you only need view access and won't be placing trades. Next, move to the server field. Click the drop-down and choose the exact IC Market server listed in your email or inside your client area. If you have multiple IC Market servers visible, choose the one that matches your specific account type, demo, or live. Taking a second to confirm this prevents the most common login error. Once all three fields are filled correctly, click OK. Metatrader 5 will attempt to connect. You should see your account number appear under Accounts in the Navigator panel, and in the bottom right corner of the platform, you'll notice the connection status showing data flow with a ping time. That's your confirmation that you're connected and ready to trade. If you get an invalid account or no connection message, double-check the login ID, confirm you're using your trading password, and verify the server name matches what IC Markets provided. Small typos are easy to make, so copy and paste when possible, and ensure there are no extra spaces. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. That's all there is to it. With your IC Markets MT5 account details in hand and the correct server selected, logging in takes just a few clicks. You're now connected and set to analyze charts, place orders, and manage your trades inside Metatrader 5.